Welcome everyone to the Speaking Part 2 Personal Experience Analysis. Before we start, I want to remind you that I will be following the Speaking Part 2 Personal Experience Tips and Strategies Guide. Now, you can find this guide in our CELPIP library in Speaking Part 2. And right over here is the Speaking Part 2 Tips and Strategies video. Now this video explains very clearly the guide and how to use it effectively to achieve your score. And in this analysis, I will be following the tips and strategies provided in that guide. If you would like to see that video and to get a better idea of the guide, please go to our library and you can watch that video. Okay, now let's get started with today's example of Speaking Part 2. So everyone, let's read this Speaking Part 2 Personal Experience question. Okay, preparation time 30 seconds, speaking time 1 minute. Talk about something you would like to do to protect the environment. Oh, very interesting question. Would like to do, want to do to protect the environment. Okay. So that's the topic. That's the one that we need to start about or start with. You can talk about something you can do in your house, maybe recycling, for example, or maybe planting flowers and trees. At work, recycling, collecting bottles, or an organization you have heard about. So there are many environmental organizations, animal rights, planting trees, protecting the rainforests. Okay, so what is it? What is the activity? Or what is it you want to do? How can you do it more often? So how can I do it more often? And how can it protect the environment? Okay, all right. So let's remember that, well, I will be following the structured speaking from our guide. Okay, we need to organize our answer. Start by introducing the question, then answer the first question or point, second point, and third point. And I'll be using some of these words. So let's remember, so we start with I'm going to speak about, or I'd like to speak about. Okay. I'd like to speak about something I would like to do to protect the environment. So it's exactly here. So that's how I should introduce the question. It's exactly right here. Okay, so just start by introducing that. Now, let's get to the first question. What is that activity? First of all, I would like to plant more trees. For example, I'd like to plant trees around the city, parks, and around my house. So a few points here. So first of all, what is the activity? I would like to plant more trees. Now, everyone, in my class, we were practicing using would like. Would like is a stronger form of saying I want to. So you can say I want to plant more trees. That's okay. You can say I want to plant more trees, or I want to, something I want to do to protect the environment. You can say that. Okay. And over here, I'd like to, you can also say I want to. So would is a stronger way of saying want. And that's why over here it says would. And I would short is I'd. When we speak, We should try to use shorter form. I'd like to. Okay, so this is the first idea. First idea, what is it? Plant more trees, and I'd like to plant them around the city in my house. Okay, so how can you do it more often? Well, how can I do it? Well, it says here, secondly, I think the city, so the city, your government, can provide trees for everyone to plant around their houses. So maybe here in Edmonton, the city could do that. But maybe you can buy. Say, maybe, secondly, I can buy more trees and plant them around my house. Also, the city can plant more trees at all parks around the city. So the question is, how can you do it more often? And we said here how we can do it. The city can provide or I can buy. And also the city can plant more trees around the parks. Okay? So everyone, we don't need to explain so much, just a few ideas, especially for 5-6, a few ideas. And it's better we have to get to the last question. How can it protect the environment? Lastly, I think this would protect the environment because planting trees would provide more clean and fresh air. Also, this would help people's health. Okay, so again, firstly, I'm using here would, but I can also use can protect. Let's use can protect. I remember in my class, we were practicing this using would, so that's why there's a lot of would here. Can, and because planting trees would provide, we can use instead of would, we can also use will. Will provide more clean air. Also, this would help. So here we use can, here we use will. We can use would, but we can also use helps. Yes, 3 forms. These are the forms of how we can express our ideas. Simple form, this helps people's health. More, a little bit higher, can help people's health. Or will help people's health. Or the strongest form, would help. If you can use would, it makes your answer stronger, okay? And if you use all of them, it's even better, okay? So everyone, please note, again, this is a structure to answer the question. Because in part 2, we need to make sure that we answer all the questions here. What is it? How can you do it more often? And how can it protect the environment? So we need to try to answer all 3 parts, and we did. Notice the blue, how I organized, okay? And again, the language, would, can, want, will, okay, so I didn't give so many ideas, but I completed the response, and completing the response is very important for lower levels, okay? Now let me speak this answer for us in 1 minute, and while you're listening, everyone, please focus on my intonation, because we want to try to add a little more intonation to our speaking so it can be more native, okay, or more natural and clearer. Okay, also while I read, please follow along, also focusing on the structure and the grammar. Here I go. I'd like to speak about something I would like to do to protect the environment. First of all, I would like to plant more trees. For example, I'd like to plant trees around the city, parks, and around my house. Secondly, I think the city can provide trees for everyone to plant around their houses. Also, the city can plant more trees at all the parks around the city. Lastly, I think this can protect the environment because planting trees will provide more clean and fresh air. Also, this would help people's health. Okay, everyone, so you see I did it in like 50 seconds. Okay, so everyone, please make sure that you practice this sentence by reading it and speaking it in 1 minute. Okay, that would be really good practice to build your fluency, okay, to build your structure, to build your expression. And secondly, try to practice using or making sentences using this grammar. That will really help you. Okay, everyone? And try speaking the whole answer in 1 minute. And then, if you can, try speaking it for 1 minute without reading from your knowledge, not memory. Okay? And everyone, I will be leaving a link in the description box to some exercises where you can practice would and can. Okay? And that will be really help your language. Okay, everyone, and if you have any questions, please comment. And don't forget to like and subscribe to help. All right, let's remember, practice makes perfect. I would like to remind you that if you're looking for some more listening, reading, writing, or speaking CELPIP exam practice, then you should definitely subscribe to our CELPIP library. The CELPIP library has hundreds of examples of listening, reading, writing, and speaking, which will help you develop your score, whatever the score you need. Also, the library contains vocabulary, listening skills, reading skills, grammar, and writing skills exercises, which will really help you improve your general understanding of English and also for the exam. So, and you can purchase a 1 month pass or a 2 month or a 3 month subscription for a very low price. And of course, if you really enjoyed this content, then please like this video, share it, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way we will keep on producing more CELPIP analysis for your development. Have a great day.